hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the neighborhood. Oh, don't you know when you say hello, you make the world feel oh so good.
If you don't answer the phone, I'm gonna scream.
Your phone is ringing, yeah. You might wanna take this call, yeah. You don't wanna miss it at all. When you hear these rhythms and ridiculous flows,
Pick it up, here we go.
pick it up, here we go. Pick it up, here we go. I need to find you. Making no bones about it, I'm screening my call. Let it go right to voicemail.
Daddy, can we go to the Apple store? The new iPhones weren't ready yet.
Should we call Steve and find out when they're going to be ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Have you ever heard the most annoying sound? Annoying sound, annoying sound.
Hello?
Hey.
Hi.
Hola.
Bonjour.
Hello. Ni hao.
Moi.
Yo.
Moshi moshi.
Hey! Come on! Hey, buddy! Come on! Pick up your phone! Yeah. Come on! Move it! Hey, come on here! I'm talking here! Pick up
Let's get ready to answer that phone!
Your iPhone is ringing, so get that game you're bringing. Up the court, down the field, pick up that phone.
Excuse me, sir. Your phone is ringing.
When someone's calling you, you know just what to do. You pick it up and say hello. Every time my telephone rings, every time my telephone rings, every time my telephone rings, it's crazy.
In a dire landscape of endless bells and whistles, this telephone is ringing, but the clock is ticking. For now, the owner of this iPhone has but a few seconds to make that choice. Answer the phone, or let it go to voicemail. Ringtone Feeder, coming soon again to an iPhone near you.
How does Ringtone Feeder work? Well, basically, you go to ringtonefeeder.com, you choose from one of our subscription types, you're transferred to PayPal to complete the transaction, you get a username and password, you click on the link and iTunes opens up, and ringtones come automatically. For more details or even try a free demo, visit www.ringtonefeeder.com.